Welcome on, my friends. I hope that you're having an awesome day today. I've seen a couple of people having problems with spammy bots coming into their sites and then not being able to protect their sites. And it doesn't matter in which platform they are hosted. There's a simple way how you can block those bots so you can eliminate them right away. So let me just jump right there. So Cloudflare, that is one of the best platforms. So if you're not hosting your domains in Cloudflare, you can own it in any other place, but you can provide the services to Cloudflare, has a security bot option. And let me show you real quick, what does that mean? So a bot normally does call a web page or something without executing it. So it's going through programming. So in this case, I'm calling one of my funnels, and without the protection, you see that they can receive the code and then they can send commands. It's not that they're hacking you. It's that they're just, instead of doing it through a browser, they're just sending the commands, similar to what a browser will do. So you see that I can get then all the information of the page, all the code, all that kind of stuff. But as soon as I enable the protection, bloop, they get blocked automatically. They cannot even get to the page. And the reason is that it actually put a layer of protection that it need to execute. So then right away, they get an error 403. They just go to the next page and yours go away. So how do we enable that? All you have to do, you come into your domain in Cloudflare. And after you pick your domain, you're going to go into security and you're going to click bots. And after that, all you're going to do, you see here, bot fight mode, enable it. That's all you have to do. You don't have to touch code on the page. You don't have to touch anything else anywhere else. That's all that you have to do. And after you do that, your page should not see any more spammy registrations. So my friends, I hope this has been helpful. Share with others, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next video.